Johanna Nault.
Yes.
These are your favourite things. Number 1, favourite musician, band, artist, currently and for all time.
I like Sade. I don't know how you say it. Sade.
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 She's beautiful.
Yes.
Now, when did you first come across Sade? Because she's not really your generation at all.
No, but my boyfriend really likes her music, and he introduced me to her music.
Okay.
And now I listen to this a lot.
What's your favourite album of hers?
I have no idea, but a song I can say it's Ordinary Love, obviously.
Ordinary Love, that's fantastic. This is no ordinary love, she actually
No
says.
Ordinary Love.
Yeah. Favourite song, album? Is that it?
Yeah. Album, I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Movie? Favourite movie, recent and for all time?
Well, I saw A Star Is Born and I really liked it. I think it was, I really like Bradley Cooper performance. I'm not a fan of Lady Gaga at all.
Either as a musician nor as an actress.
But I'm not. I mean, she's very talented, but it's not. I'm not feeling.
You enjoyed the film,
but I enjoyed Bradley Cooper
more than Gaga.
Yeah, he's a very good actor.
And then for all time.
And of all time, I really like Amélie.
You do? How French? How Parisian?
Because she's awesome. And
she's
very curious and funny and nice, and she takes a very kid revenge.
Yes.
Like if she doesn't like someone, she's gonna sneak in his apartment and glue his shoes on the.
You're a bit like her.
Yeah, 100%.
You really are, aren't you? So, remind me of the actress's name.
Now that you ask me, I forget.
I know.
What's her name? I know her.
Did she? Yeah, I can't remember.
Audrey Tautou. Audrey Tautou.
It's Tautou?
Tautou. Tautou.
Tautou.
Tautou. Audrey Tautou.
So cute. Cute name,
She's
cute actress.
Yeah.
Okay, favourite TV show currently and for all time?
Favorite TV show? So I'm watching Maniac, but I'm falling asleep all the time.
Okay, so that's not necessarily the ideal state to be in. What is Maniac?
Maniac, that's the TV show on Netflix.
Is it?
Yeah.
New?
Well, yeah, with Jonah Hill and Emma Stone.
Oh, right, they're fantastic.
Yeah.
Are they funny?
It's a very good show, but I'm falling asleep all the time.
Oh, shit.
I have problems to keep...
Right. And then, favourite one?
Breaking Bad was pretty good.
Breaking Bad. That was a real legendary show now.
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yes.
Okay, fair enough, that's great. Favourite actor?
Favorite actor? Oh my god, sorry, I'm hungry.
I know.
Favorite actor? I really like Gary Oldman.
Wicked! Shout out to Gaza Oldman.
He's amazing.
Flying the flag for Great Britain.
I really like as well.
Did you like him in?
I have to watch the Darkest Hour.
Yes.
Yeah.
As Winston Churchill.
Amazing. There is a last movie that I saw. I think it's Good Times with Robert Pattinson.
Oh yeah.
And he's amazing, and the movie is very, very good. And he was nominated for some Oscar or something like this. Yeah, it's very good.
Robert Pattinson?
Yeah.
Do you like Robert Pattinson?
I hated Twilight, obviously. I didn't like it.
Oh, but he's great.
But he's
an amazing face, though. He has an amazing looking face.
Yeah. And he sings as well.
He does.
Yeah. But I didn't like Twilight and all that things, so I really thought that he would be the worst actor ever. But that movie is amazing. And actually, he only acts in independent movies mostly now. And he's great.
There was an Australian film he was in as well that you should see.
Is it?
It was
Natalie.
No, Australian movie. You probably have to look it
it.
up. I can't remember what it was called, but it was good too.
Mm-hmm.
And I know Good Times by the Safdie brothers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Favorite actress? I really like Natalie Portman.
I knew you were going to say that.
Nicole Kidman. Favorite TV show? Big Little Lies. 100%.
Better than Breaking Bad.
It's different.
With Nicole.
Nicole Kidman, Reese Witherspoon.
Reese? I think Reese won the Emmy.
Yeah.
It's her show.
Yeah.
I think she's a producer in it as well.
It's an amazing show. I love it. Woman.
Laura Dern? No, not Laura Dern. Who?
The Shailene Woodley.
Right, that's right. Mm-hmm. You liked that?
Yeah.
Natalie Portman, what's your favourite performance of hers?
I mean, Black Swan, she's amazing.
Yep.
Léon. when she's
Leon
a kid. It's
at
amazing.
14,
Yeah.
wasn't she?
I really liked V for Vendetta as well. That was
Yeah.
my movie when I was a teenager.
And she's a very pretty actress. Charlize?
Charlize?
Did you say Charlize Theron? Who was the other person? No, it was Nicole.
Yeah,
Kidman.
Nicole Kidman.
Okay. Favorite model?
I really like Daria Werbowie.
Yeah, man. Daria.
She's an artist. I think that's why I like her.
Is she an artist?
Yeah, I think she's kind of stopping modeling and she's doing like pictures and
Is she a photographer?
yeah, she's doing weird things,
Yeah,
but in that
she can
in
afford
art.
to.
Yeah,
She had a good career.
yeah, and she's amazing.
Mm.
I really like her. I don't like all the new ones that we have now.
You don't like any of them?
No, they're like the Instagram models. I don't like Instagram for this. Favorite designer? I would say I really like Celine from before.
Phoebe Philo.
Hmm?
It was when
Yes.
Phoebe Philo was the designer, and now it's Eddie Slimane.
And I don't like it.
And it's him doing Yves Saint Laurent.
Yes, exactly.
Let's
I don't like Saint Laurent when he was there.
Either.
No.
It's not design. It's just art direction. It's styling.
It's ugly. I think it's very ugly. It's not masculine, not feminine. It's not in the middle.
Yeah.
It's just like Walking Dead getting dressed. Is that a good resume?
If The Walking Dead
We're getting dressed.
is what Yves Saint Laurent is today. Under Eddie Slimane. Sorry, Eddie. You might be making billions of dollars for...
But I don't like it. I mean, I don't like what you're
Johanna's not
doing.
happy with it. And he's doing the same thing with Celine, so there's no difference.
Yeah, so favorite designer.
I think he's a better
really
photographer
liked.
myself. I like his
Yeah.
photography a lot. I think he's very talented.
Favorite designer, so I really like Elisab.
Oh,
The beautiful dress. I think it makes...
Is Elisab a French designer? Or is it Spanish?
I think it's someone from Middle
East.
East.
Ah, interesting. That's a first. That's great. Thank you for that.
Of course.
Favorite accessories now?
You see, I'm not wearing anything except those little earrings, so I
Uh-huh.
would say
Those
ones.
From?
What?
Those you only.
Yeah, I only have those.
You only have those in your wardrobe.
Yeah, and I have this one here
Okay, I like
that
that.
I love. I don't know why.
You don't know who made those things.
But I don't wear anything, just elastic. That's the model accessory.
Oh well, okay. Shoes, bag, sunglasses.
I never wear sunglasses. I feel that I have a big thing on my face and that people
You
are
don't
looking at me
like
like,
it.
you have something here. I don't like it. It feels so heavy.
Funny.
And
Yeah, these are light, but yeah, I understand what you mean.
Yeah.
Bags.
Bags.
Even in the sunshine, you don't wear them in the beach.
No, and I have to. My eyes are so sensitive, so I need to find some that are light and that I don't feel. Bags, I have no bag. I like small things actually. I just bought like a bag that you put on your belt.
A fanny pack.
A fanny pack. So
I love my fanny. I have a fanny pack.
Yeah.
By Matador, it's really good.
When I go out, otherwise it's my agency bags that they give us. I put everything inside, and when I go out at night, I only take the fanny pack.
You're a woman of my own heart with a fanny pack.
That's
Fuck big bags, fanny packs rule.
And shoes. My boyfriend has more shoes than I have. I only have like black boots.
By who?
And sneakers.
Not
cheap,
even.
cheap stuff.
Cheapo and sneakers by?
Sneakers.
Because I have
Nike
to put this.
And Stan Smith Adidas.
Nike Stan Smith Adidas.
Yeah.
Which is very French, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, makeup. You don't wear any.
I just have those
mascara. By whom?
Clinique.
That's French, is it? Mm-hmm. I like that. That's what your mum's going to see you on.
Yes.
The Clinique bottle of stuff.
Favorite
parfum?
I don't wear perfume.
Neither do I. I don't like it, and it's not
it
good.
makes me sneeze.
Yeah, and you're allergic to toxic shit.
I don't smell bad. So
yeah. What's the point of nothing to cover it up?
No,
nothing
exactly.
to cover up.
So if I want someone to remember me, he will remember my smell, and that will
the
not
real
be
pheromones.
Yes, exactly.
Love that. Favorite store.
Favorite store
in the world.
Oh.
Are you blowing out? Maybe. Never mind.
Favorite store? Am I quick enough? Sorry, I have.
Oh shit! I can't get that. Favorite shop?
Madewell. I really like Madewell.
On Broadway?
Yeah. Madewell, you know, it's a clothes. It's very French. So
and very classic, Madewell. Well, wonderful. City, place to live. Oh, online store. How do you shop online?
I never shop online.
Ever?
I need to feel what I'm gonna wear.
Love that. Favorite city, place to live?
Place to live, I'm still figuring out, so I don't know. Favorite city I really like Cusco. That was amazing. That was magical. I really like Buenos Aires.
You do?
Yeah. I love Paris. Every city has something. But I don't know yet where I will be able to live. So many things.
You don't know. One never knows. Restaurant.
Favorite restaurant? Shake Shack.
The freaking Shake Shack in Madison Square in New York.
Shake Shack is amazing. I'm trying to quit eating meat, and I said exception Shake Shack.
And that one in Madison Square.
But we went to eat this ramen in Itudo. Itudo. It's on Chelsea Hell's Kitchen, north of Hell's Kitchen, I think. And it's very
like ramen.
good. It's
I
so
like
good.
noodles.
That was actually my last bet. He said girls can't finish the ramen, my boyfriend. And so I finished it right
or was
before
that
him,
models
and then I was
can't
like,
finish? Is it models can't finish that?
No,
right?
girls. He said the ramens that I served there are so big that I've never seen a girl finishing it. And I was like, oh, all right. And
did he eat his ramen?
Well, I finished before, so he felt bad, so he had to finish, and he felt bad all afternoon.
He serves him right, I say.
Sorry.
Serves him right. Favorite food? Oh, holiday first.
Holiday.
And hotel.
Home. Come back home.
Your mum and dad.
Yes, and best hotel.
So where in the south of France is it exactly?
Biot. B-I-O-T. It's yeah.
Wow. In what?
It's between Nice and Cannes.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Best hotel that I've ever been to was in Peru, on my way to Cusco. No, in Cusco actually.
Oh yeah.
It was an old monastery that they renew in a very old hotel, and that was
amazing.
Oh my god, amazing.
Favorite food?
Pizza.
What type?
New York pizza is actually very good.
Which one? I've got a good one for you.
Okay, tell me, because
it's in Bed-Stuy. It's called Sarangina.
Sarangina. Okay.
It's great.
I love Italian food.
But then there's also the famous one, Grimaldi's.
Okay.
Down by the Brooklyn Bridge, underneath the Brooklyn Bridge.
Is it far from here?
No.
I might go take one.
But not now. You can't go there. It's too far to go.
Okay. So Italian food is the best.
A pizza, good pizza. What are the toppings on this pizza?
I like cheese or pepperoni.
That's it?
Very simple.
Okay, favourite exercise to work off the cheese and pepperoni? You don't like it, do you? Drawing, wrist action drawing. Is that the only exercise
well,
you do
I have
today?
a real workout that I do.
You do?
But it's been 2 weeks I didn't work out. But otherwise I do 45 minutes of cardio, and then I worked all my body. I know we're supposed to do only upper body once, and then the day after or 2 days after the lower body, but I do all the body.
And get it friggin' over and done with.
Yeah, exactly.
One-stop shop. Favourite animal?
Dog.
Which one?
My dog.
What is it?
That is with my parents. It's a golden retriever Labrador, a mix between two.
Wow.
Her name is Maya. I love her very much. That's the person that I love the most.
Loves the most. And the favourite social media, you don't like any of it? It must be Instagram, because that's what brought us together.
Yeah, that's Instagram is the best for, I guess.
Is.
But it's the worst in the same time.
Yep. So what's coming next? Is this social media stuff that we're caught up in now going to go away, or are we doomed?
I think it's going to stay, or a new one will be invented, but I think it's going to be very hard, or it's going to be crazy, they're going to invent glasses where it's going to be in the glasses.
Virtual reality. Virtual reality is where we're going.
That's where we're going, I think.
And the breakdown of our human abilities to love.
That's why we need more people like you that shows that social media can be a real thing to really meet people and create a relationship more than faking relationship on the phone.
Exactly. Fake on the phone. And that's it. Johanna!
I gotta go, Joe. He has to go pick up his daughters.
Those are your favourite things. You're amazing. You're wicked. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That's
And we're going to
amazing.
eat lunch anyway.
Yes, I'm gonna go take my.
We're not finished yet.
Oh, okay, great.